What's up, everybody? It's Devontae Graves here, and today I want to talk about how important it is to have the proper tools in your online business, whether that be MCA, Four Corners, Skinny Body Care, or whatever the case may be. You absolutely need a marketing system to be the backbone to your primary business, right? So, and don't mind this page. This is just Future Ad Pro. Click on my 10 ads. We'll talk about that in later videos. But here is my example of what I mean by marketing system. All right. And these are the things your sponsors are not going to tell you that you need, but you absolutely need these things in marketing system to help promote your business. All right. So I typed in MCA top earner. Okay. And everybody knows who Rodney Walker is. If you're familiar with MCA, he is the brand, the face of MCA. You know, he's not the only one making money in MCA, but he's everybody knows who he is. Anyway, I go to his YouTube channel. I want to go to his website. All right, and this is how you get signed up. You go through his website. I guess I'm gonna click on MCA. I'm gonna click on this one, mcaclub.net, and let's see what his presentation will be. It's just taking a little bit longer than expected. Aha. Alright, so this is right here. This is his capture page. This is the beginning of his sales funnel. Okay? So you have the video of the MCA, beautiful young lady talking about MCA, and then they want your email and phone number. Okay, and this is basically the start of every online marketer's their journey. This is the start of the sales funnel that you need. And most of your sponsors are not going to tell you that you need these things because they're just going to tell you about MCA. Yeah, it's good. Come sign up with me, and they kind of leave you high and dry. They kind of like to undercut you and say, hey, this is what I'm really doing. And with the power lead system, the backbone to your primary business, is going to also give you a second stream of income for yourself as well. So I don't want to put in my information. I guess I can for the sake of the video, but if you put in your information, it's just going to take you to probably the either more the sales page or the sign up page. All right. And this is what everybody is doing. This system is proven to work. All you need is a marketing system, aka that backbone that I'm always speaking of to promote your primary business. All right. And here is my capture page. This is my sales funnel right here. This is a good capture page, and it has my video right here. Let me put this down a little bit. Alright, this is going to be my video, Devontae Graves last year being broke plan. This is my business, the power lead system. My business is to make your business a lot easier for you, okay? Because I don't know, because they're not going to tell you that you need a marketing system. They're not going to tell you that you need this. You probably don't have this. And this is why you're here talking and looking at my video right now, trying to learn how you can scale up your business. And this is how you can do this with the power lead system. Now it is the same. It's just the same as this right here. You put in your email, and I'm going to skip the survey, and this is going to be my sales funnel. Okay, this is going to be a video telling you more about how you absolutely need this power lead system. All right, so basically this is a video of me showing you the full-on explanation of what is a power lead system. All right, and you see, this is a Corvette. All right, this could be your dream car. This is not my dream car, but the engine to your Corvette, meaning your Corvette is your primary business, whether that be MCA or whatever business that you want to promote online. That is your car, and a power lead system is your engine to help you get to your final destination in your dream car, aka your primary business. All right, and this is my sales funnel. You need a sales funnel. Okay, you need these things because if somebody you want to be able to follow up with whoever's coming and looking at your website. Okay, so that's why Rodney Walker, aka the top earner in MCA, he has your phone numbers and he has your email so he can follow up with you. The power is all in the follow up. Okay, you need to know who's coming into your website to follow up. All right, so you put in your information, and this is the Power Lead system. This is my sales funnel, and you can have this same sales funnel that I'm about to show you in just a second. Let's say, for an example, so get your sales page. All right, I'm gonna go here, and then here's how you can create your own sales funnel. Right here, this is the code you can use. MCA sales funnel. You can make this same sales funnel in MCA. I mean, excuse me, in the Power Lead system. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to log into my back office in the Power Lead system to show you guys how you can make your own unique sales funnels, unique autoresponders that MCA or whoever they don't give you these things, and your sponsor will not tell you that you need these things because they're also making money off these things as well. You can make an additional stream of income with your backbone. And that is so powerful. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the sales funnel. So you go right here, you go to my share codes, and as you can see, I already incorporated the share code as well. So you can copy this code, it's going to be in the description. If you are in MCA, you're going to need this share code to promote MCA while you're for you. So you can be in your sleep, you can be sleeping, and someone can be watching your presentation of MCA as well as Power Lead System, because the Power Lead System also is an affiliate program as well, because people need these tools. So once you put in your MCA sales code, you're going to go to copy web pages right here. Right? And I know this can seem pretty complicated, but just watch what I'm doing. It's very simple because with the Power Lead system, everything is done for you. All right, so which one you see MCA funnel? You're gonna click that. You're gonna go all the way down. You're gonna click Make Me a Copy. And once you have your copy, you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna say blah blah, whatever. It doesn't matter at this point for the sake of the video. And you can have this be the top of your website. So right here, simply website. That could be whatever you want. Welcome to my sales funnel. Okay, whatever you want to do. So whatever you want to do. All right, and then if you want to click here, you can go to email autoresponder campaign. This is very important. All right, so I'm going to go click the MCA email campaign. It has 10 messages made by Thomas Madden. All right, you're going to go to view campaign, and you can go to view this email. And this is when you can start changing your email campaigns to incorporate your own videos and start branding yourself like Rodney Walker is doing. But you can do it in your own style and your own flavor, and you can stand out from the rest of the pack. All right, so you have 10 emails here. You have now 10 emails you can be sending to your leads automatically. This is all done for you. And if you do not have these tools, then it's basically impossible for you to make any sort of income if you don't have these little things on automation for you. Because if you have a list of about 200 people, you don't want to send 200 people an email each day. That's going to take you hours, and that's going to be wasting time. You can be doing things that could be income producing activities like just driving traffic. All you have to do now is just drive traffic to your website. But I'm not done with the sales funnel. I want to show you guys the sales funnel. So you can go to edit text. You can go to edit text. And now let me just this is going to be the background, and this is going to be your sales funnel. All right, you can click here, and actually when I'm going to save, and then let's go to view page. I'm going to view the page. And this could be your sales funnel right here. All right, this could be your MCA sales funnel, and then you can even have your YouTube and Twitter links right here. This is not going to go to this. This is my Facebook, but I'm just showing you guys how easy this is. This is everything is done for you, and this is where you incorporate your information. I'm going to skip the survey, and of course it went to my website. But if you go back to edit basics, you can this is where you can change the website that it goes to. Alright, so we're gonna go to here. Let's see, MCA sales page 1. You can click view page, and this is the page that you will, when they opt in, this could be the page that pops up. Alright, more MCA videos, people having fun, testimonials, the whole nine. And the get started now tab would be your sign up link to MCA. Okay, and real quick, I want to show you guys how to edit those email campaigns. All right, so you're gonna go to email/text and go to edit campaigns, and you're gonna click on the one that says MCA. Man, I'm getting kind of thirsty right now. Excuse me, but you can go to view. Now you can edit. This is where you can edit the email that's already done for you. So you can put your video. Let's say you want to incorporate your own video. You can just type in my video, or wherever the case may be. However you want to do it, everything is done for you here. And what you can do, actually, you can go to click here to make a copy for yourself. Right here, you're going to click here, and then you can name it my MCA sales funnel. Hit submit, and then bam, this is how you can edit the email, and then you can have this done for you. So you can just click here to view my YouTube channel, and this could be your link, www.youtube, whatever your link may be. This is the backbone of your entire MCA primary business. I'm giving you valuable information that most people wouldn't give you, because this is an additional income stream for yourself. And a lot of the times your sponsors don't really care how far you get, and we get paid. They make payments out every Wednesday, and if you join me, we have the support for you. We have the support in the Facebook group. It's all on my website. Here's to get your traffic. Here's to access the training page. Here's to access my YouTube channel. And this is all done with the Power Lead system. All right, I recommend at least becoming a gold member, at least a gold member. All right. And you have more information. This is my videos on the whole last year being broke plan that I got going on. But this is strictly for people who in MCA who absolutely need tools. You need the tools, and your sponsor may not even have the tools. But these are the tools that you need to excel your business to the next level. All right, because the Power Lead system is your backbone. I highly recommend you guys getting started with the Power Lead system. It will truly help your business, truly. Okay, I'm just trying to spread some information that your sponsor wouldn't tell you. He's doing the same thing. I don't see why you're not doing the same thing as well. And with that being said, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video. Again, my name is Devontae Graves, and I will see you on the inside.